Yeah, folks, welcome to my review on my WL Toys V930. I've never flown this before, so here we go. Let's take it up and see what this thing does. I've got a little bit of helicopter experience, not much. Oh, it's quick. It's a bit windy today, but it's unlike the V911, this thing can cope. Lovely flyer. God, it is quick. I'm not going full throttle because, as I said, I've never flown this before. I'm just getting a feel for it. It flies much better than the 911 does. Yeah, it bags more power in the wind. Control it a lot easier. I've got it on second rate because of the wind. Got quite a way out. Bringing it back. Oh, it's quite a way out. I lost a bit of disorientation with it. Yeah, it's much better in the wind. It's my first flight on this. Never flown this before. I had to dump it. I lost all focus of where it went, which way it was facing. When you get like that, it's just, rather than just carry on flying, just dump it. It's not worth losing it. Like I said, there's a bit of a wind, so I'm fighting it. Great little model, this. I'll see if I can take off from the grass. I don't know if it will. See if it will. I don't know if it will. No, it's just getting caught up. It's just getting caught up in the grass. But yeah, it's much improved over the 911. I was debating whether to fly this today, but let's see if we can I'll keep it close by. That annoying flybar slap, because it hasn't got one. I'm not going to go full speed because of the wind. Bit of hovering. It's hard to tell whether it needs trim because of the wind. Seems to be okay. Never trim in the wind because it's going to give you a false reading. Yeah, it seems alright. Yeah, lovely. I like it. Whoa. It's a lot easier to control. It's because of the pitch, you see. You've got the power in the motor. You've got the motor, you've got the power in the motor to pitch. Whereas on a 911 you couldn't really, not in this kind of weather anyway. That annoying flybar slap. Whoa, God, I'm getting dizzy. Some close-up shots. Oh, I'm not a brilliant pilot. Controls are exactly the same as a V911, although the gimbals on this seem to be, the springs seem to be a lot stiffer. I prefer that. I don't know whether it's just this control or whether all of them are, but this is unlike a normal WL Toys controller. It just feels stiffer. Wish all of mine were like that. Yeah, I love this. This flies like it should do. I'm half throttle. I haven't gone full throttle yet. I've got no idea what full throttle's like. I know it's I know it's quick from what I've seen on other people's channels. I know it's really, really quick. But I'm not going to be doing that today. I'll just It's got a 450 milliamp battery in it. I've got 500 with me. Can't do any hovering because of the wind. That's flying into the wind. See, it's blowing it backwards. But I can push forward, see? Can't do that with a 911. Alright, let's get it down from there. I don't go too high. Backwards flying. Oh, getting quite into this helicopter lark. Oh, that's the battery then. Just suddenly cuts out. Anyway, I'm going to carry on flying with my 500 milliamp battery as I'm here. But there you go. There's the V930. Thanks for watching, folks. Catch you later.